Google Sheet query function with xlookup. This is advanced level Excel for Google Sheet. Now please check here. This is table 1, name and salary, and here duplicate value number D and then number D and maybe third for ones and salary. And here second table name and country, name A, name B, name C, name D. This is unique value. There are no duplicate. And this is null. I want this type, name A and sum of salary like name A and name A 100 and name A 100 equal to name A 200 and check here name A USA. So check here name A USA. So how can we take it? Please check. First we go to xlookup, search value and search value here. This is search value. For good practice, you can make it absolute value, but this is array, so need not here. And second, lookup range. I want to check here lookup range. After that, result range. Here, this is result range. And after that, more functions is default. You need not that. Okay. So this is country. Only one value, but I want here all value. So I am going to here Control Shift Enter. If you have Mac system, then Command Shift and Enter. Check here. This is all value. For name, there is country and D is Australia. D is Australia. Comes here. Okay. And this is X lookup, my formula with array. I want to combine this two table, so I write here equal to query. This is query function and data, but I want this data as a array, so I give here curly bracket. After that, I choose this all data. Okay, and after that, I choose all this data. Okay, and close curly bracket, comma, and inverted comma, and third parameter I have one header row, so I close here and check here. This is intent. So check here, name D and salary and country. This is query function. But I want not this type. I want this helper column wants to remove. So copy this. Okay. And go here and place this here. Okay. And enter. Okay. What is the equal to? Okay. Equal to. Check here. This is or file here. After that, I want my condition. So put here select select call 1 sum call 2 and I want call 3 group by call 1 and I want call 3 also, so right here call 3. Okay, enter. Check here, name A 200. So name A 100 and name A 100. After that, name A country USA, name A USA. I check randomly name C. So name C 100, name C 100, and name C 100. So name C is 300, and check here name C equal to UK. So name C equal to UK. So I hope you understand this. If you have some queries, please write in comment. I will definitely give into answer. Thank you.